Why is there poop in your bed?
I want to see.
Look, what is that?
Poop.
Where'd it come from?
From Jax.
I don't think so. Jax hadn't been in here.
When they pooped on my bed.
Who pooped in your bed?
The Jax did.
I don't think so. Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
The Easter Bunny?
No.
Yeah, he was here last night. I think he might have left you something. You were so naughty yesterday that he just went ahead and pooped in your bed. You think so? Huh?
No. What did go get those beans off there?
That's poop. That's rabbit poop. Rabbit poop's little.
I want to see the rabbit poop on there.
Did it rabbit poop?
Uh,
Why is there rabbit poop in your bed?
because.
Did you go get a rabbit and make it poop in your bed?
No.
Was the Easter Bunny here last night?
Uh-huh.
It was?
Yeah, what? There was something here for me.
I don't know. He might have.
Is he here yet?
I think maybe. Well, you better clean up your bed first.
No, you clean up my bed first.
I'm not touching that. Go check it out. It stink?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Well, pick it up, dude.
No.
Yeah, pick it up.
Why?
Because it's in your bed. I'm not touching it.
Yeah. No, I don't want to touch it.
Why not?
Because I don't just want to leave it in my bed.
You do? Who did that?
The Easter Bunny.
Why did the Easter Bunny poop in your bed?
Because.
Because why?
Because when Easter was here for me.
Oh, really?
Car.
Well, let's go see.